This product focus features the Tytan water heater. Since 2005, the Tytan water heater has proven to be an extremely reliable product, giving end users many years of trouble-free operation. They simply install the heater, turn it on, adjust the set point on the temperature controller and the safety limit controller, and let it go. Some of the reasons that the Tytan water heater is such a reliable system is, first of all, because the wetted surfaces are titanium and a small amount of fluoropolymer, which are compatible with city water that has varying levels of chlorides, reverse osmosis water, deionized water, and even filtered seawater. Second of all, the temperature control and safety systems allow the water flow to stop and start without causing problems with the heater. With wattage sizes available up to 144 kilowatts and being able to heat water up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, here is a list of some of the most popular applications for the Tytan water heater. Sanitizing biomedical parts. The Tytan water heater is an excellent choice to heat deionized water above 190 degrees Fahrenheit to feed the final rinse station in the manufacture of biomedical implantable parts and instruments. The hot water helps to sanitize the parts prior to packaging. Water treatment systems. The Tytan heater is used to temper incoming water for reverse osmosis and other water treatment systems. Warming up the incoming water helps to increase the rate at which water can permeate through the membranes, thus increasing the system's output. Process Technology uses Tytan water heaters in our own DI water plants for this exact purpose. Ultrasonic cleaning stations and batch mixing applications. Companies using ultrasonic cleaning equipment need to mix up a fresh batch of cleaning liquid regularly. This requires using water that is heated up to allow all dissolved gases to escape before finishing the new batch of cleaner and returning to production. A Tytan water heater allows the customer to fill their tanks with water that is already heated to the required temperature, thus reducing the time needed to prepare a new batch. So the Tytan water heater saves the user time. Batch mixing large volumes of liquid is quite similar, where a customer may need a large volume of water at a specific temperature. The Tytan heater is used to provide a continuous flow of water at the prescribed temperature to speed up the time needed to mix their batch. Aquaculture. The titanium construction of the Tytan water heater is perfectly suited for maintaining optimum temperature in very large aquaculture installations using freshwater or seawater, such as those found in zoos or commercial aquariums. The Tytan heater can also be used in hatcheries, where supplying water at a precise temperature helps to maximize the birth rate and growth rate of their specimens.